Dear students, welcome to the Standard 5 Social Studies class. Children, today I will teach you Chapter 9 Natural Disasters. In this chapter, we will discuss what is a natural disaster, earthquakes, and precautions. Our Earth is the only planet in the universe that sustains life on it. But at times, nature can be the cause of huge loss of life and destruction of property. Now we will see what is a natural disaster. The damage or destruction caused by natural forces are called natural disasters. Earthquakes, floods, droughts, cyclones, tsunamis, volcanoes, etc. are some examples of natural disasters. It results in a great loss of life and property. See children, here are some pictures of natural disasters. You can get an idea from this picture. Earthquakes. What is earthquakes? A natural disaster which occurs when the surface of the earth shakes or trembles is called earthquake. It is caused by the sudden movement deep inside the earth. It may lead to minor or major disaster according to its intensity force. The intensity and duration of an earthquake are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. The intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. This scientific study of an earthquake is called seismology. Deep inside the earth, the point from where the earthquake starts, called the focus, and on the main point of the surface where the force is transferred is called the epicenter. In other words, we can say that the earth's surface is made up of a number interlocking plates of rock. These plates are called tectonic plates. These plates float on a layer of molten matter. When these plates collide with each other, results in strong vibration. It felt as an earthquake. An earthquake that takes place under the ocean can sometimes cause tsunami. Japan and Philippines are the most earthquake prone countries in the world. In India, earthquakes are very common in Himalayan region. On 26 January 2001, a major earthquake caused a lot of damage to life and property in Bhuj, Gujarat. More than 20,000 people died and over 15 lakh were injured. Minor earthquakes do not cause damage. Children, see, this is the picture of earthquake. Next, we will discuss precautions. Design and construct earthquake-proof buildings. Point 2. If it is possible, get out of the building or house. Point 3. Do not stay near window or mirrors or even under fence during earthquakes. Point 4. Do not enter your house building immediate under after earthquake. Next we will see tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. There can be many reasons for tsunamis, such as underwater earthquake, volcanic eruption, or high intensity underwater explosion. See children, specific tsunami warning center tsunami. Tsunamis occurs when the seabed is disturbed. It displaces large amount of water. It only comes in the coastal areas. The waves of tsunami can range in height 1 m to 50 m. They travel very fast, up to 500 km per hour. One of the biggest tsunami was on 26 December 2004 that hit Indonesia, Thailand, India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. It killed more than 250,000 people. That was the worst tsunami in the Indian Ocean. Tsunami warnings are issued in advance by the specific tsunami warning center in Honolulu, USA. Now we will discuss precautions. The people living in coastal areas must listen to the tsunamis warnings and try to shift to higher grounds as soon as possible. They should not go to near coasts during such times. Floods. What is floods? Floods usually occurs when there is heavy rainfall during monsoon or if mountain glaciers melt on a large scale. Floods have been the most commonly known natural calamity of mankind. Except heavy rainfall and melting of glaciers, flood also occurs when there is a cloudburst and large amount of water is precipitated in the area. A big and the latest example of cloudburst flood is Uttarakhand. See, a cloudburst. A flood causes huge damage to life and property. Flood damage crops, roads and buildings, electricity, communication system, etc. It also causes many waterborne diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, malaria and dengue. Many living beings drown or die due to flood. Okay students, thank you.